I went overboard because people were telling me, bring food item more, bring food item more. That's how I carried parboiled rice. I brought in coffee. I brought in cookies. Some of these items up to now I've not even used them. Hello guys, my name is Oisak Tanko and it's time to evolve. So today I'll be talking about things to bring to the United States of America as an international student coming into the state for the first time. And I'll be telling you about the things I regretted bringing to the USA when I came in here for the first time. So before you start making preparations about coming to the USA, you have to check the weather of that place you're going to in the United States of America. The US is a very big country and then the weather is not uniformed across the states. Check on Google, what's the weather of so place like? How is the weather going to be like in this month? That's the month you're arriving. So you can make plans and preparations towards the season and towards the weather of where you're going to. I believe you should be packing clothes that are appropriate for the weather and season you're coming in. You know, a lot of times people will tell you, don't bring clothes. You will see a lot of clothes here and you will have options and varieties. So don't just worry, don't worry yourself. But I recommend you don't totally depend on getting here before you get your clothes. Don't embark on that journey without at least 3 to 4 pairs of clothing. And most times it is not always the case as you presume before coming. Like when you're in your home country, be like, immediately I get into the US, I'm going to shop for clothes and all those things. But then when you come in, you realize that there are bills you have to pay, and maybe or maybe not at the end of the day the bills would like finish up that money you came with. It's best you bring clothes that would serve you up until when you decide to go get more clothes. Most international flights allow people to carry 2 check-in bags and then 2 carry-on bags, but this is dependent on the airline you are traveling with and then the class you booked for. So confirm from the airline. I know that some airlines will allow you to carry up to 50 kg per bag. However, the cost above 23 kg, you have to cover up for that. But if it is more than 50 kg, you might not be allowed to carry it on. So have that at the tip of your fingers. If your luggage is above 23 kgs per bag, or if you have more bags than 2 as required by your airline, I'll recommend you don't be in a rush to pay for the extra luggage online, but you get to the airport and talk to the airline agents there, and they would weigh your bags and you can pay for the extra luggage there. It might be cheaper than you paying before you get to the airport. Remember, your carry-on bags are going to be with you throughout your journey. So you need to put things that you need during the journey and just everything that would make your life easier. The first thing is your document. You need your documents hands-on all through your journey. At each checkpoint, they would ask you for your documents. And even when you get in here at the port of entry, they would ask you for your documents. You do not want to be waiting for your check-in luggage before you get your documents. So always have them where you could just put your hands and get them. These are the documents I recommend you carry on. Your passport, your I-20, your service fee receipt. In fact, carry all the documents you took to the visa interview. If you have a folder that has everything in it, just carry it like that. More so, make photocopies of the documents you would be carrying on. You can put the photocopies in your check-in bags, and you can put some of the photocopies in other carry-on bags as well. Your electronic devices need to be in your carry-on bag. You don't want to risk that expensive laptop getting broken. I recommend you put it in your carry-on bags. Hands-on items are very important in your carry-on bag. By hands-on item, I mean emergency clothes, soap, and all those things. I understand you're not allowed to carry big quantity of liquid in your carry-on bags. However, you can carry like 10 ml of soap, of perfume, of cream in your carry-on bags, just in case your check-in bags get missing in action or something. You would have 1 or 2 clothes to fall onto. When I was coming, I carried 2 pairs of clothes in my carry-on bag, nightwear, cream, soap, perfume. All of them are like 10 ml. You might need them if your bags get missing. You can carry food items in your carry-on bags, like your snacks, bread, food you can munch on during your journey. That can fit into your carry-on bag. If you're on medication, you can carry some of your drugs along with you, or you can just carry some of those painkillers and all those drugs you have that has prescription. You can carry them along in your carry-on bag. If you're a lover of books and you love reading, I recommend you carry a couple, because it might be a long journey and you might want to read 1 or 2. If you have other things you would want to put on your carry-on bags, confirm from your airline, check on their website and see if you are allowed to carry them with you. I'd like you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you find this video informative and useful, you can share it with your friends on the international student WhatsApp group or Facebook group you're in, or on groups that prospective international students who are coming to the United States are in. I believe they would also find this information useful. Thank you. Let's talk about what you need to put in your check-in bags. Number 1, food items. You need some local food items that you will not find in the United States of America. I'm from Nigeria, so when coming, I brought in my gari, I brought in my groundnut, I brought in fish, I brought in dried okra, just things I know I can't find in the USA. However, I went overboard because people were telling me, bring food item more, bring food item more. That's how I carried parboiled rice. I brought in coffee, I brought in cookies. Not like I wouldn't need them, right? But these things are available here and they just took space in my bags, and I had to pay for extra luggage that I wasn't even supposed to pay for. And some of these items up to now I've not even used them. So when you're carrying those food items, use wisdom and try to see if you can find those food items here in the USA. And the thing is, some of these food items are even less expensive here. So have that at the back of your mind when packing all the food from your home country. You might have them here and they could be affordable. The second thing is your clothes. Carry your clothes. Put them in your check-in bags. Not like you should carry your whole wardrobe or something, but carry the clothes you would need before you can shop for clothes here. Again, a lot of people will tell you, do not bring clothes, please. Don't be like me. Carry clothes you would need. So I recommend you carry your business casual, you carry your corporate wears, you carry your native clothes. I love Ankara. Ankara is a kind of clothes in Nigeria, so I carried a lot of Ankara. I don't know what you like about your country, the clothes you like about your country, so you can carry those alongside. Make sure you carry the clothes that are appropriate for the season. Your personal care products such as your body cream, bathing soap, shampoo, conditioner, and just things you need for your personal grooming and all should be checked into your check-in bags. So carry them as well. Carry your toiletries, your pad. You need to get like few tissue you would use before you get settled. Yeah, you can carry that, but don't carry the whole tissue box or something. Just carry what you would need before you get out to shop after being familiar with your new community. Are you still watching this video? Thank you so much for sticking up until now. When you like, when you comment, and when you subscribe, YouTube would recommend this video to other people who need this information as well. So please help me by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with other people who would need this information. Thank you. Now let's talk about what not to bring in either your carry-on or check-in bags. Number 1, do not carry gun. Do not carry bomb. Don't just carry any weapon. I know we've been talking about food, however, you are not allowed to bring some certain kind of food into the United States of America. There are some agricultural products that would be seized when you bring it into the United States of America. You are not allowed to bring some fruits from the citrus family, poultry products, and or you're not allowed to bring raw yam or cassava. You can bring in your yam flour, cassava flour, but you're not allowed to bring raw yam, so avoid those things. You can check up on other agricultural products you're not allowed to bring into the United States of America. If you want to bring in pots or plates while coming in, you can be just one small pot and a plate that could serve you for the time being before you get familiar with your community. But don't carry big pots and big plates. You love to read. You have a room full of books, and as an international student coming into the United States of America, you want to bring all those books. I'd recommend you take a chill on that. Bring few books if you can. Books are heavy and it will just fill up space in your bag that you would need for some other things. Take a look on the books. We have online books now, KDP and others. You can as well get some of those books there. So now that you know what to bring and what not to bring, as always, I share tips on each video. So here are the tips I would like to share with you for today's video. Number 1, when you're coming into the United States, you do not have to go get a new phone. You will get phones here. So why do you need to buy a phone at your home country before coming to the USA? Phones are affordable here, and depending on the network providers, you can have a phone where you buy and then get a payment plan, and that works. Easy peasy, right? Clothes. Now what if you bring few clothes and then after coming here you decide to buy more clothes? You can get clothes at the thrift stores. We have thrift stores like Goodwill, Salvation Army, and more. The clothes there are affordable. You can get them there. But if you don't like wearing thrift, you can get clothes from Ross, Burlington, and others. If your laptop, your iPad, your phone is bad or you need to get new ones, you don't have to buy it from your home country. You can live it up and come to the United States of America to get your new iPhone, new electronic devices basically. Apple, Best Buy give discounts to students when you purchase some of these electronic devices. So you can just hold on to the money you want to spend in your home country and get them all here. Lastly guys, you might have those picture frames in your apartment that you want to bring into the United States of America, maybe because they are sentimental to you or because you feel like getting picture frames in the United States are expensive. No, if you're a lover of art, you can get those at a very affordable price, either at the stores you buy them newly or at thrift stores. Thank you guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for your time. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.